Hello everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. We are in correction territory, all right? So we are in correction territory. That should not be a surprise to any of our traders, all right? So we've been talking about this for a while. We've had sell signals in the equity markets, in the indexes for a while. So this should not be a surprise. No, it might be a surprise to everyone else, but not to us. All right. So let's get right into it. We do have a lot of information to go over this evening. All right. So we do have sellers are coming in heavy. All right, on the Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, and the Russell. All right, so if you guys look here on the S&P, our sell signal was here on the S&P, all red candles. All right, so sellers are definitely in control. All right, we are in the markdown phase. So those of you who trade with us, you guys notice we're in the markdown phase here on the S&P. Markdown phase, red candle, those are sellers on the Nasdaq. All right, on the Dow, right, we're breaking support here, red candles, so sellers are in control. So really, really be careful trading equities. Okay, be careful trading equities. Also, stock boss traders, bull master traders, and even bull master pro traders really, really need to be careful, guys. Okay. Now is not the time to be a hero, right? Going against the overall trend. The trend is down, all right? IWM, same thing. Look at all of that selling. Like I said, 3 weeks, a month, almost a month worth of selling right now, okay? You guys can see here the sectors. We only have one sector that is struggling to hold. All the rest are down. We have a few that are neutral here. The selling continues. This will all turn red, guys. This is all turning red right here. Okay. Major indexes are all down, and the VIX is above 20. Okay. So the VIX right here is at 24.66. So we have high volatility, not crazy volatility, but we do have high volatility. All right. So it's above 20, and that is a concern for stocks. Okay. I think the S&P is in correction territory, but we'll basically say the market is in a correction right now. Okay, it's not crashing yet, but it is in a decent correction, 8-10% correction. Okay, the futures market. Let's take a look. All right, so the futures, the dollar keeps moving lower. We have support on the dollar right around $100. Dollar is holding at 103 right now. Remember, it fell from was at 109. Right now, the futures are up. Okay. Now, the Dow futures, the E-mini, Nasdaq, Russell, they're all up. But again, guys, remember when we are bearish, okay, when we are bearish, the market, buyers tend to come in, all right, after market or pre-market, okay? And then what will happen, we'll tend to finish down for the day. So don't be fooled by that price action, okay? And the reverse is true when we are bullish, right? We tend to see selling after market, pre-market, and then we close up, okay? So don't be fooled. We are solid, right? Solid in the markdown phase. Lots of selling. This is a lot of selling, guys, okay? Lots of selling here, okay? All right. As far as big picture, well, let's do this. We'll come back to the Mag 7. But as far as big picture, the Dow on the daily time frame, you see here, guys, we broke a big trend line here. Look where we are, breaking support, right? We might have further support down here. We can draw that in. So we have support here. We are breaking now, right? Further support. We have right about here, further support here. And then from here, we might get some support right here on the Dow on the daily time frame. Okay. So what we're looking for now, you guys know we were looking for resistance, right? Break of resistance. Now that price of turn, right? Made that turn. We're now in the markdown phase. We'll be looking for support, right? As we move lower. Okay. Hey, T, welcome, T, welcome. So as we move lower, guys, we'll be looking for support, okay? Support as we move lower. Now, all right, if you guys, if you guys listen to what's out there on the street, there's a lot of panic right now, right? In the markets, guess what? Right? The selling hasn't even started, guys, okay? I mean, this is how far we are from the all-time highs. Okay, so if we go much lower, can you imagine, right? All right, so support here, breaking support here. All right, near-term support is here. Further support is here. We can actually bring this down right here. And then we have further support all the way down here. All right, so we'll watch these support levels as the price moves lower. Okay, no signs of buying yet. Okay, no signs of buying. This is on the Dow. All right, on the Dow here. We can actually remove this resistance line here. Okay, because we're coming on down. We can remove this trend line. Right, it's broken that trend line. So now our goal is pay attention, right, and just focus on that price action moving down. We don't short stocks, okay? If you guys want to do puts, you can do any of that. You certainly can. We can trade ETFs, short ETFs, or a good trade right now. We'll go through that tomorrow when we start doing our live trading. Okay, we'll go through a great trade right now with gold. Okay, so be careful shorting, guys. Be careful shorting. Okay, so Dow on the daily time frame, that's what's going on here. Okay, on the weekly time frame, we did get a sell signal on the weekly time frame. This is a big deal, and as we go through this, we're going to spend some time right on this market. This is a big deal because the markets are turning. All right, the markets are turning. We're no longer long. All right, we are no longer long. We're short. All right. All right. Down on the weekly time frame, we got a sell signal this week. All right, so we got a break of support right here, sell signal right here. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon, welcome. All right, broke support right here. So a buy signal here. All right, Solomon, we talked about this the other day, right? All right, buy signal here, sell signal when we did our Q&A. All right, so guys, this is a big deal. The last time we got a sell signal, we got two sell signals, right? The last time we got, we won't pay attention to this one. Well, let's say right here, 2020 here, 2021 here, 2023 here, and then 2025. All right. And what we've looked at, what we've noticed is that when we get these sell signals on the weekly time frame, all right, on the weekly time frame, that selling will sometime last about a year, guys. Okay. Now, I'm not saying that this sell signal will last a year. All right. But if you guys look here, from here to here, 2022, 2023, that's about a year. Okay. And as we go through these, you guys will see there. Okay. This is just the beginning. So I want you guys to just get ready. All right. Defense, if you're trading equities. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony. Okay. If you guys are trading equities, just be extremely careful. All right. There are other markets we can trade, but this is a big deal. Okay. So Dow on the Dow, sell signal this week, red candle, broke support. That's a big deal on the Dow. On the monthly time frame, we are breaking the trend line here. No sell signal yet on the monthly time frame. Okay. But that weekly time frame, that's a concern. S&P on the daily time frame. Okay, so much like the Dow, guys. So much like the Dow here. All right, much like the Dow here, on the S&P on the daily time frame, we have sellers coming in heavy. Okay, so let's bring in. So now that the price have broken the trend line, let's bring in our support levels. We don't need resistance. No use looking at resistance right now. Okay, so we got to look at support. So while everyone else is panicking, okay, we play defense and we'll look for opportunities in other areas. Okay. All right. So the S&P on the daily time frame, sellers are coming in heavy here. So broke support here. Next level of support is right here. All right. So we have support right here. We'll count this here as support. And then next level of support, this is on the S&P now. Okay. Let's bring this here. Let's count it right about here, this whole area here. Our next area of support, and the reason why we want to do this is to get, like I said, right? We are not looking for resistance levels. We're looking to see how far price could go. Okay, price could go. Very early. This is very early. Now, we would need a lot of buying. Remember, we had all-time highs, right? And we out of the buying season, okay? Remember, sell in May and go away, right? So we're out of that buying season. So this, no, it's a bit early, but this is what we expect, all right? When we're at all-time highs, okay? Now, we don't know how deep things will sell off, but we just have to be prepared, okay? And we'll find opportunities, especially in Forex, futures too, the E-minis, but they're just, they're funny right now, okay? All right, on the weekly time frame on the S&P, just notice here, we have a sell signal also, all right? So on the Dow and now on the S&P, we have a sell signal here. Red candles broke support right here, all right? Now, this selling that came in here, again, lasted about a year, okay? So when these sellers come in on the weekly time frame, that is a big deal. A little different than just the daily time frame, okay? So it is a big deal. Why we need to pay attention to this. So support here, broke support here. Next level of descent support. Oh, let's bring that right about here. Might find some support here. Okay, very early, guys. This is this week. This week. All right, that's it. This week. Okay, further support. Let's bring that down here. Okay. So sellers come in heavy. That's a lot of pain, right? The market comes all the way down here, guys. That's 30-40% correction. Not to mention if we settle down in here, okay? All right, on the monthly time frame, all right, bit of a pullback here on the monthly, no sell signal yet on the monthly. The NASDAQ, same thing here. So no surprise. We should not be surprised by any of this. We've talked about this. You guys have, all right, over a month now. All right, we've trimmed positions in Stock Boss, Bullmaster, Bullmaster Pro. We'll go through what's left. So support is here. Support is also here. Near-term support here. We're breaking through that. And then we've got support. Isn't it nice to know this information, guys? Right? Right? It's one thing when we are long, markets are healthy, nicely in the markup phase, doing okay. But for me, I think this information really pays off when there are times like this, right? All right. We might find further support here on the NASDAQ and then right here. All right. And we don't buy the dip because we don't know how low it could go, right? It could go much, much lower. All right. So no buying the dip. If you're trading with us, okay? All right, NASDAQ, same thing here on the weekly time frame. All right, so on the Dow, S&P, and now on the weekly time frame, we have a sell signal on the NASDAQ. So second week of selling. First sell signal came in right here last week, followed through here this week. Okay, so support here. And we've got our lines in already on the NASDAQ. Hold on. All right. All right. So broke support here. Let's bring that here. Red candle, sell signal. Next support level here, then here, then here. Again, we are early. Again, look how long that selling took on the weekly. Whole year. Whole year to bottom out. From 2022, right here, all the way 2023 to bottom out. Okay? All righty. Even if we get a correction, guys, but half of that correction, that's a lot of selling. If we come all the way down here, all right, that's a lot of selling. Lots of panic. All right, that's on the weekly and on the monthly, same thing here. Russell, guys, Russell, look at the Russell. Look at the selling in the Russell, okay? And we know Russell has struggled quite a bit. So not a major surprise with this price action, right? All right, so support was here. We have more support here. And if we break, look at the Russell. If we break through that support, guys, that's it for the Russell. No more support until further support until right here. All right, so look how far we've gotten down already on the Russell. So small caps, stock boss, stock boss in particular, our stock boss traders, right? Be very, very careful. Okay, be very, very careful. I haven't looked at stock boss. We'll take a look at it tomorrow when we do some live trading. Okay, we'll look at perhaps basic material, gold, silver. We'll take a look. Okay, but it is prime to break through that support level here. This is an absolute falling knife here. Look at that. Okay. All right. So next support here. All right. It will certainly, based on the price action, get through that selling here. Okay. That weekly time frame will continue. That weekly time frame here will bleed into. Hold on here. All right. Here's the Russell on the weekly. So 3 weeks of red candles now on the Russell. All right, so 1 week, so 3 weeks ago, right here. All right, we got a sell signal here. So first week, second week, third week here. All right, no surprise. Look at the previous sell signal right here. And look how long that's selling, right? A year bottomed out. 2022, end of 2022, 2023 here, middle of 2022-23, bottomed out, found support there. So again, this selling will anticipate it will continue. So this daily time frame here, good chance it will break through and come on down. Okay, lots of selling, guys, lots of pain in the market when this happens. Okay, Russell weekly and the Russell here on the monthly, right, looking to hold support, the trend line right here. Bitcoin, let's take a look. All right, so Bitcoin, guys, holding at 81,000. Our support target on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will move with equities, will move with these indexes, okay? So let's bring that here. bring it right here. All right, so support, that's 70,000 right here, support, okay, and it's come down. Bitcoin has come down from 109, all right, 109 all the way down to 81, okay. This is where buyers came in before previous resistance becomes support. So here is support here, all red candles. It keeps moving lower, okay? So support is at 70,000, and your other cryptos will follow Bitcoin's lead, okay? All right. If it breaks to support here, next support is at 50,000 here. All right, 50,000 here. If it breaks to support, now these areas here, this area here, we have a big support. If it breaks through here, now we're a long way from that right now, guys, okay? But next support, 30,000. I am not saying it will get to 30,000, okay? But next support area there is 30,000. Let me. 1 second here. Okay, yeah, these numbers are important. All right, so 70,000 right here, round numbers, 70,000, right? These traders will watch, pay attention to these whole numbers, right? So 70, 50, and then here is 30. 30 is a big number. Again, I am not saying it's going to get to these numbers, but we are moving lower. And your other cryptos, you guys know this, other cryptocurrencies will follow Bitcoin. This is why we really need to pay attention to Bitcoin. This is a big area here. 70,000 will be a big support area, okay? And then, if I'm sure, right, it breaks to that support, Bitcoin will find support in this area here, okay? All right, there's a good chance it will get to 70. Guys, Bitcoin can get to 70 in 2-3 days. You guys know that, right? And we are making lower highs, lower lows here. Okay, we keep coming lower. Keep moving lower. Okay, we keep moving lower. Okay. All right. This is an important time, because we've got real selling, real concerns, right? Real selling. So this might not be a regular, right, pullback, okay? Especially this time of the year, okay? So just be ready, position yourselves, okay? All right, defense. So defense. And then position for opportunities. This is why we're going to be doing the live trading, right? We guys see we're doing a lot of changes, when we have a lot more coming, because we want to take advantage of what's going on. Okay, all right. Lots of good volatility if we're on the right side. Gold, all right. We look at gold tomorrow. All right. So gold right here in the futures market, breaking resistance here. That's perhaps one of the better trades right now. Gold buy signal here. All right, weekly time frame on gold. Gold keeps moving up nicely here. Gold is finally at 3,000, guys. 3,000 an ounce on gold. Crazy, right? 3,000 an ounce. Okay. Back in last year, gold made a high of 23. Struggled for a while, right? Big resistance here. Look at that. struggled for a while to break through, finally broke through, and ever since been moving much higher. Okay, buy signal was here. Not that we would trade it on the weekly, but you guys can see, and just no sight of slowing down right now. Okay, so really pay attention to that. Silver broke out this week. All right, good resistance here. Buy signal weekly time frame all the way down here. All right, big move. So look for opportunities there. Crude oil is coming down right at 66. We anticipate crude oil will keep moving lower. A big support area here at 60, right at 60 on crude oil. Okay, so crude oil, energy, all right, 60. If it breaks through here, this was COVID, guys, right here. This move from here to here was COVID. Notice from here to here, that's the COVID crash. Okay, this is how close we are. If we break through, and we've got good support here, we break through that support, that's not good for equities, all right? That's not good for equities. Crude oil really needs to stay above 60. All right, anything below 60, lots of panic. Okay, lots of panic. All right, good for our gas prices. All right, good for, gas prices will be in the, $2 a gallon, but not good for the economy. Okay, so right, we'll keep an eye on that. Bonds is moving higher, right? We had a bit of a pullback. Some buyers came in. All right, a little bit of buy-in, so had a pullback, but bonds keeps moving higher as the equity markets, right, move lower. Right, we'll see bonds move higher, good for rates. Okay, so the TLT, not a bad trade here. Okay, and the goal is to get it all the way back up here. Now that says the weekly, but I believe this is the daily, daily time frame right here. Okay, all right. The Magnificent Sevens, and then we'll go through current positions. Let's take a look at the Mag Sevens. We've got sell signals across the board. All right. Hey, Jocelyn, welcome. Why? Okay, let's see here. Crude. Well, the bottom line, they've got to make money, right? So, all those producers, they've got to, if crude gets below $60 a barrel, they're not making any money, right? So so that's always a sign when crude gets below 60. That's always a sign that the economy is weak. Okay, all right. Just look at it that way. Economy is weak, right? If crude gets above 90, the economy is strong. Okay, but it's not a great barometer. It's not, it's an okay barometer, okay? But we need it to stay. See here, it stayed from 2022 all the way here, 2022 all the way to now. This is right, it stayed right between 80 and 60. That's the ideal area for crude, okay? Okay, all right, yeah. It's just one of the barometers, but we can certainly use it. Okay. And traders haven't made any money trading crude. Look at that. Okay. All right. So the economy is weak, but a breakdown in crude. All right, a breakdown in crude will send panic. Lots of panic. All right, especially if it gets to like $30, they're not making any money a barrel. If crude gets to about $30 a barrel, okay. I remember when COVID, it was they had to give crude. They had to give it away, right? They had to give it away. Imagine that, right? No money. You couldn't make any. A lot of the refineries went out of business. Okay. So, okay. All right. During that time, the Mag 7s, Let's start with we'll start with Tesla. All right. All right, Tesla, guys, you guys remember we got a sell signal, buy signal here at 275 on Tesla. Sell signal came in on a breakup support here at 373, right? No surprise here. Tesla is at 240. We did mention that Tesla will get some support in this area here. We have a lot of consolidation in here, and that Tesla would get some support. So expect Tesla to find support in this area here. Now, Tesla is lucky because of that. Okay, Tesla is lucky. A lot of consolidation, good range in here. So expect Tesla to kind of hold this area here, which is between 270 and 175, so 100 points. Okay, don't expect any buying, guys, in this market right now. Okay, a lot has to happen. Remember, we have to go through the markdown phase, accumulation, and then markup. Okay, so there's no buying anytime soon. Okay, all right, but expect Tesla to settle somewhere in here. If it starts hugging the support down here, all right, then that's a concern that it could break and move even lower. But Tesla is lucky. All right, we have good consolidation in here. I mean, anything can happen, right? It could break right through that support line here, but Tesla is lucky. Good, right? Good range, right? Good consolidation in here. Okay. All right. Meta, right? Sell signal in Meta came in here. Buy signal was here on the daily time frame, 606. Sell signal 643. Trading at 590 here. We're looking for Meta to go further support down here, 550, and then here. Ultimately, it might find if it breaks down. These are decent support levels. Again, Meta has some good consolidation in here. But if this market just really breaks down, we can see these prices move lower. Okay. All right. Apple. Same thing here, guys. Look at Apple. Look at the selling, right? So it's gotten through support here on Apple. You imagine buying Apple all the way up here and now it's trading down there. I guess if you're long-term, buy and hold. All right, so good support here. It's breaking through support there. Next level of support for Apple. All of this analysis, when we do the analysis like this, we want to do it on the daily time frame, okay? Don't use the smaller time frames. Use your larger time frames. So, all right, breaking down. And then further support all the way down here. Okay. Times like this, defense, not offense, defense is the key. Okay. So Apple here breaking down, breaking support here, further support here, and then all the way down here, which is right at 160 and change. Okay. All right. From 260. Big difference. Google right now, let's take a look. Also sell signals. So all of these Max 7 stocks, guys, it's a lot of pain. Lots of pain. Even if you bought it all the way down here, let's say you bought it here and you wrote it up, right? It's still some pain. All right, so we don't need resistance. So support is about here. Further support on the way up, we talk resistance. Now it's going to be support levels. All right, so further support here, and then further support here. All righty, and that's good for now. Microsoft, look at Microsoft, okay? So big channel here and broke through support here. Next support level is we might go longer this evening. But I'll try to get you guys out of here early. On time, not early, on time. All right. All red candles, right? Support here. Resistance was here at 456, trading at 378. Next support is here at 340, right? 340. And then further support, we don't have that yet. Okay, you might have further support right here, 311. Let's call that 300. Nice round number there. Okay, so 300, right about here. Okay, all right. Nvidia, the darling, right? Darling of Wall Street. All right. Nvidia is finding some support. Okay, so Nvidia is finding support, guys. Bounced surprising here. Very surprising. Okay, so held support right here. Now it's still early. Okay, so all right, but it's holding support here at, what's that number? Right at 100. So that right, remember, round numbers, so that $100 mark, it's finding support for now. So it is range bound. Okay, but all right, a lot of pressure for it to move lower. If Nvidia breaks, guys, if it breaks that $100 mark, and traders are really trying to protect that $100 mark, right? Next support level, let's bring that about. Let's call it right here. 80 might be too low. Let's see, 80. Yeah, let's call it 80. All right. If it breaks through here, 100, right? Next support, 80. And then further support all the way down here at 50. Personally, well, my opinion doesn't matter. But we've got good support here. Good support here at 50. Okay? All right. Nvidia gets to this area here at 50, right around 50. Major buying opportunity. Okay? Major buying opportunity. All right. Not advice, though. You guys know that. Okay? But all right. Our current positions. All right, current positions, and we are in several positions. Good job to those of you who traded the euro pairs or still in the euro pairs long. Good job. All right, 60-minute time frame here. EURTRY. All right, good trading here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Good trading. EURTRY on the 60-minute time frame. No buy signal yet, so we should be out. Keep an eye on it though. So the euro finally, right? Euro pairs and pound pairs. We waited months for those guys. Finally, moving. Great trades there. Okay. All right. EURUSD. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Right. That's done for now. USD, EURUSD. EURHKD, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Red candles, again, we could get buyers to come on back. So those of you who trade Monster Scalper, all right, especially in the 60-minute time frame, guys, finally getting some movement on the 60. Break to that resistance. We could get a buy signal. So stay on top of these. Your opportunities will be in Forex. Okay, so as the markets become more bearish, capital has to flow, right? So it's going to flow from equities to these other markets. All right, so Forex should get some of that money. Okay, so EURHKD. Euro Aussie, same thing here. Bought here, sold here. Good trade there. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Just waiting for now. We're still in the markup phase, so look for reaccumulation trades there. Okay. Euro Aussie, same thing. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Just waiting for now. Right. This is just a pullback on the 60-minute. Good trading there. Finally. All right, Euro New Zealand, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, and Monster Scalper, bought here, sold here, consolidating for now. Good upward trend line, break resistance right here. We'll get another buy signal on the 60, and it's trading well. All right, New Zealand yen. Euro yen, Euro ZAR, same thing. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Right? Red candles coming in. Those are sellers there. And the pound pairs are doing well. Okay, those are your top pound and euro pairs, guys. Those are your top trending pairs. Right? On the left side of your Monster Scalper system. Okay. So pound Aussie. All right, good trade here. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. And look here, guys. This is just setting up nicely here. So really get focused here. All right. There's going to be some good opportunities in Forex. Okay. So all we need just a break of resistance right here. Look at your markup phase. All right. Setting up nicely for reaccumulation. All right, look at that. Nice upward trend line. Break through that resistance. We get a buy signal. Your protection, right, would be right in here. If it fails, good setup there. Good setup. Good setup here. All right, pound Aussie there. So we'll close it for now. But keep an eye on this. All right, pound CAD, right, same thing here. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. All right, right. It has a buy signal currently, right? A bit of a pullback. We're going to call this, but if you guys want to wait for it to price to get above the high here, that's fine. We'll call it for now. So pound CAD while we're here, while we're right on there. Okay, so pound CAD, GBP, CAD, long on 60 minute. Okay, all right, buy signal here. Okay, if it fails, it will fail somewhere in here, no big deal. Okay, so we'll keep it for now. Pound New Zealand, same thing here. Pound New Zealand, a new buy signal here, and all right, here's your markup phase. A bit choppy. Nice upward trend line. Good resistance here. All right. Buyers are coming in here, holding firm. So pound New Zealand, GBP, NZD, long, 60 minute. Okay. All righty. We do have quite a few longs on the 240. Really good trades going. All right, so 240 in Monster Scalper. And it's finally paying off, guys. I know it's been difficult with Monster Scalper. All right. So much consolidation, but things are breaking out. All right, so pound, GBP, USD, buy signal here. Great trade going, guys. Look at that. Lots of pips here. All right, these trades that I'm going to go through on the 240, all right, some of these have been in for about almost a month, okay? All right, so pound, all right, pound dollar, buy signal here, holding firm, reaccumulation, great trade going there. Pound HKD, buy signal here, break of this resistance. All right, looks nice. If you got in here, you can certainly scale up. Be careful though, okay? Scale up. Pound Aussie, great trade going here. Buy signal here. Look at that trend line here. All right, purple support and resistance, but we're getting past that, okay? So new yellow support and resistance, that's good, guys. New buyers, right? Good price action here. All righty. So pound Aussie, pound CAD, just really good trades, guys. Really good trades. Buy signal all the way down here. All right. And you guys know it's been choppy. It's been choppy. So it's good to finally see, all right, Monster Scalper really doing well. So we just have to be on the right side, okay, of the trade. So pound CAD 240 buy signal here all the way up here. So 214. Here we are 314 right here. 1 month. 1 month. All right, on the 240. Now that's pushing it on the 240. Okay. We might get another week. Okay, I think some of these are starting to close. Okay, so a month is, if we catch a good run on the 240, we get about a month, might get 5 weeks. If we're really lucky, 6 weeks. So just know we might be pushing it, but no sign yet to get out. Pound CAD. Pound New Zealand, we've got a new buy signal on the 240 here. So we'll hold on to that. And then the euro pairs. So EUR/TRY, buy signal here, holding firm. Okay. Like I said, they are getting extended, but they're still holding. All right. About a month. Euro/dollar. All right. Buy signal here, holding for now. White candle here, green candle trying to come on back. Euro HKD, buy signal here, holding. All right. Euro pound sold. All right, so euro pound, keep an eye on that. Okay, so euro pound give a sell signal. So buy signal was here on a break of this resistance, broke support, sell signal, red candle. We should be out. So just make a mental note. We have one so far that has closed. Okay, and it reached a resistance right here. Okay, mark down, mark up. All right, close the trade. EUR GBP. So try not to give up your profits. Okay. Euro, Aussie, buy signal here. Great trade, guys. White candle here got a nice bounce. Green candles. All right. Holding firm for now. No purple support and resistance. All yellow support and resistance. But be careful scaling up. I wouldn't scale up all the way up here. All right. Gonna scale up in here. Too high to scale. All right, Euro CAD, same thing. Buy signal here, guys. Beautiful trades, right? Beautiful trades. All right, almost some over 3 weeks on this one here. Euro CAD, buy signal here, holding up nicely there. Euro CAD. In Monster Scalper, Euro CAD, holding for now. EUR PLN. All right, sell signal. Okay, so buy signal was here. White candle, sell signal, we should be out. Okay, so that's too bad there. Euro PLN never really took off. Okay, so EUR PLN, let's remove this one here. And we do have some euro pairs and pound pairs, I believe, right? Yeah. In Forex Dominator on the daily time frame too. And then we do have some shorts. We have shorting the dollar and the yen pairs. So good trading. Good trading. Good trading. Finally. All righty. All right, in Forex Dominate on the daily time frame. Let's go through these trades. We have quite a few there too. Also, EUR/TRY. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely here, guys. Okay, Euro dollar, buy signal here. All right, markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal. All right, near its target here. Might get to a second target here. EUR USD. EUR HKD, markdown phase, support down here. All right, don't be like me, bring in your lines, mark down, accumulation, mark up. Great trade going there. On the daily, guys, lots of pips there, lots of pips. Lots of pips. EUR SGD, mark down, buy signal. All right, nearing its target here. So hopefully you guys are taking advantage of these opportunities, okay? EuroCAD. Look at EuroCAD. Buy signal was here. Sellers came in. We called it again right here. All right, nice breakout there. Don't you wish all of them did that? EURNZD, buy signal here, breaking out nicely there. So those are the euro pairs, and now pound pairs. Pound dollar. Let's bring this in. All right, good markdown phase. Here is your V. Mark up. Your target is right up here. That's pound dollar. All right, pound HKD, same thing. Markdown phase, buy signal moving up nicely. Pound SGD, right, breaking resistance here. Range trade, breaking out. Pound Aussie, breaking out. Right. All right, buy signal here, got out. Called it there. Pound Aussie, pound CAD. Nice break of resistance here. Breaking out of the range. Support resistance, buy signal here on a break of resistance. Perfect buy. Previous one failed. This one worked out, right? Let it run. Pound New Zealand. Right, reaccumulation here. Horrible trading, but guess what? Finally broke out. All righty. Shorts. Yeah, we'll definitely go a bit longer, but this is important. This is, and we didn't go through these on Tuesday, so we've got to go through them tonight. And this environment is not, it's a little different environment. We've got real concerns, real selling. All right, USD, DKK, short. All right, so sold short here, buy to cover. We should be out on the 60. There was only one. On the 240, we've got a few more shorts. Look what we've got for equities, guys. That's it. Isn't it nice to scale back? All right, shorts on the 240. All right, monster scalper. Oh yeah, Dow. See here, Dow was down. Yeah, 537. That's big. You know, when you have a lot of that selling already. Let's see. CAD yen. So short here, buy to cover. Let's remove this. TRY JPY. So short here, buy to cover. So these yen pairs are not. We'll take a quick look at the yen. Dollar Swiss. So short here, buy to cover. On the 240. Dollar SGD. So short, buy to cover. So your better trades, guys, definitely euro and pound pairs, okay? No surprise there. USD PLN, so short here. I think we call it somewhere in here. Holding for now. And Forex Dominator, short. Oh, hold on. All right. Okay, USD Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. Let's open this up. All right, USD SEK, so short here, great. Now, guys, with these shorts here, I remember these, right? These were perfect shorts. Sometimes we'll miss these on the daily time frame, where the sell short signal might come in here, and we might call it somewhere in here, looking for a further move. But these shorts, we call them right at that sell short signal, because they were setting up perfectly. All right, so USD SGD, so short here. Right at support here. All right, good chance it might find support here. Okay, support here, 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 and here. USD SEK. All right, USD HUF, so short here. Right near its support level. We can bring that down, give it some room there. All right, USD PLN, so short here. Right at support. So the dollar pairs are finding some support levels. All right. All right. When they find support on the daily time frame, that's important. Okay. That's important. So definitely finding support there. So might not break through, might just consolidate right along support line for a while. ZAR yen, so short here, holding for now. New Zealand yen. All right, breaking support levels there. So short here, keeps moving lower there. CAD yen, so short here, breaking support there. Aussie yen, all right, so short, breaking, but a lot of consolidation too. Pound yen, all right, that closed it short. So we should expect better movement from the yen pairs, because they move with the equities, right? All right. SGD right at support there. But if equities break down, right, continue to break down, the yen pairs will follow. You see here, they're all red. Just the movement is not fluid, right? All right. USD JPY, dollar yen, so short here, moving down nicely, right? Taking its time, but it keeps coming down. Support is down here. HKD, same thing, so short here, keeps coming down. I think this is a range, yeah. All right. It keeps coming down. No white candles, no green candles. We'll let it run. Swiss yen. All right, finding support here. Okay. Again, that doesn't mean it can't break through. TRY, JPY found support here, and look, it's breaking through. All right, so just because they're finding support, guys, doesn't mean they won't break through. Okay. So give them a chance. Okay. All right. So that's it for Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. Let's go through equities. We don't have a lot here. Our US 30 traders, I hate to say it, there isn't much still with all of that good selling. Still choppiness there. All righty. Stock Boss. All right, small caps, Russell, IWM. All right, MFG, buy signal here, sell signal. So the buy signal came in at 540. Sell signal came in yesterday at 540. So we should be out. All right, MPW, buy signal. Buy signal was at 462, close today at 582. All right, so we have resistance here, support here. We'll call it that's done. Okay. Considering the market, guys, right? We're not going to look for a push above resistance here. Okay, so take profits if you're trading this. MPW, let's close that. COMP, let's take a look here. All right, this one is holding fine for now. That's tech, right? Could find some pressure, okay, but that's only one there. All right, Bullmaster, and then we'll go Bullmaster Pro. ING, that's holding. And HALO, that's reached its target. Let's call that, okay? So HALO, right at its resistance here. Buy signal was here at 55, right? 61. Any amount of selling, guys, you guys can see here, right? And you guys know the environment of the market. All right, something like this, take profits, right? Take those profits, all right? Look what happened here, look what happened here, and here we are, okay? So HALO, we'll close that. All right, Bullmaster, let's go through these. Gold, GOLD, we know that's a flight to safety. Gold is moving higher, so we'll keep this one. Mark down, mark up. All right, target is up here. Notice how gold is holding. Purple support and resistance, though. Keep an eye on that. All right, ECL, buy signal was here at 267. Sell signal came in, 255. Let's close that. All right, red candle, sell signal. Clean things up. XPEV, look at that. Guys, when they're strong like this with all of that selling, pay attention. All right, KO, let's call that here. So mark down, accumulation, buy signal here, mark up, found its target here. Let's close it. Defense right now, okay, KO, let's close that. NFG holding nicely there. All right. PUK, same thing here, guys. Reached its target. All right, we're not looking for any breakouts with equities right now. So reached its target. Buy signal was here 18, 19, 18, close today. Let's close that. All right, they can collapse like this. So defense, defense, defense. Protect your capital. All right, there'll be other opportunities. LKS, buy signal here, white candles. Let's close that. All right, GILD, that's holding for now. PRVA, buy signal was here, 22. Red candle, sell signal at 23. Let's close that. Want to be light right now. BABA. All right, buy signal was at 94. It did break through resistance here. 94. Purple support and resistance. Boy, that's... So we'll leave this one for now, but I would say if it breaks support here, which is 131, right, just close it. You get a white candle, close it. All green candles, purple support and resistance. It is a concern, but we'll. CVS, close that one here. A lot of resistance here, right here, right here. Lots of choppiness. Not very good there. CVS. Let's close that. All right, FOXA, buy signal here. Red candle, sell signal. Let's close that. HT, same thing here. All right. With these, we were hoping for a breakout. Not happening. T, buy signal here, white candle, green candle here. Let's close that. If we were bullish, this would be good, but we're not. TM, US, buy signal here. Even if you don't trade stocks, guys, still follow this process. Okay. In your other systems. TMUS, buy signal here, sell signal. Let's close it. VTR, buy signal here. All right, lots of resistance here, purpose, support, and resistance. Let's close it. And this will free up more capital for down the road, right? Well, white candle here. Let's close it. Defense. And the last one, TU, right? Reached its target here. White candles, right? Failing there. Let's close it, okay? So we have one stock in Stock Boss, one in Bullmaster Pro, and what's that? 5 in Bullmaster. All righty. Our US 30 will go. We'll go a little longer, guys, and we'll get you guys out of here. Our US 30 traders. Okay. We still haven't called. I think the last short we called was over here, I believe. We didn't call that. On the daily, it looks good. I don't know what to tell you guys, right? On the daily, right? Good price action here on the daily. Very choppy. Okay, very, very choppy. Now we'll go through. We'll see tomorrow, right? When we do live trade, we'll see if we find some opportunities on the smaller time frame. But still very, very choppy. We'll bring out the NAS and the S&P, see if we can find something. I don't know what we have for data coming out. Most of the data, we had CPI and PPI, that's come out already. But the disappointing thing with the US 30 is that it's choppy. All right. So very, very choppy, guys. Very, very choppy. Okay. And that's on the 60-minute, you know. Solomon, we were talking about it from here to here the other day. From here to here on the 60-minute, based on this price action here, this should be one trade, maximum 2 trades, maximum 2 good trades. We've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, guys. So just be careful with the US 30, and that's been happening for a while. I mean, it's just very, very choppy, very, very choppy. So that's why we haven't called out. I mean, I think in the month we've called out in a 30-day period probably 1 trade. Okay, so because there's nothing here, so just be careful with that. Okay. Let's see here. Just want to run Stock Boss, Heat Seeker, just to see. We've got 17 in Stock Boss. All right. So they're not buying. All right. So they know something that we know. All right. We shouldn't be buying. Bullmaster. Let's take a look here. 16 in Bullmaster. Okay. So guys, just be careful. Anthony, I removed Monster Short. Okay, so we had it on here. It doesn't make a lot of sense to have it because we don't really short. I mean, it's good to see that, you know, things are moving down in it. See the number of you know, stocks that are moving lower, but we don't short it. Okay, so we don't short it. So we want to free up that time for look for other opportunities. Okay, if things, you know, we can always bring it back. But for right now, I want us to kind of focus on some opportunities. We are going to, let's do this. But we might bring it in here and there. Let's go through some opportunities on the 60-minute time frame Let's see what we can find here. We'll go through this quickly in Monster Sky. If you guys look here on the 240, these are your top pairs here. All right, so pound, mainly pound and euro pairs. So always pay attention. If your trades, your pairs are ending up in this area in here, right? I would say the top 10, top 15 or so, right? You're doing good. That's the goal. Always your trade end up here, not down here. All right, so real quick, and then we'll be done. Be careful going long the dollar pairs because the dollar is very, very bearish, dollar index. So just be careful. Those longs could fail, okay? So I know they look good. I mean, they look really good here. Good markdown phase, lots of good selling. But these buy signals could fail, okay? Like I said, these euro pairs, keep an eye on them. They're setting up for new buy signals. All right, euro SEK, that's gone, but that's a good trade going there on the 60, but it's gone. Be on alert. We might, if we get buy signals in these euro pairs on in Monster Scalper, we'll send those out overnight. All right, so euro pairs still holding, setting up nicely though. Pound too, pound is setting up. Pound SGD. All right, good trade going there. Okay. Pound New Zealand, we've called that already. Pound HKD, wait for a buy signal. All right, pound Swiss has a buy signal, choppy though. We're going to call it. So GBP, CHF, long 60. All right, buy signal here. Buyers are coming back in. We have buyers are under. It is choppy. Buyers are under 240. Buyers are under daily. Okay. Pound CAD, we've called that, or we call that already there. Look at pound CAD. Look at pound CAD, guys, on the 240. All right. Now we have it on the 240, but look at that. Look at the buying on the daily. Good confirmation there. Pound Aussie, we're waiting for a buy signal there. Okay. The 240, want to make sure we haven't missed anything. And then we'll be done. 240 yen pairs. Just for right now, no longs or shorts. Okay. 240. Let's see here. Euro. We're in that one here. Looking for new buy signals. Euro SEK. Keep an eye on that one there. Horrible chart. All right, I think we're good. Pound. Pound New Zealand we've called. All right, I think we're good. All right, I think we're good. Okay. All right, guys, I've kept you guys way too long. Okay, so I'll see everyone tomorrow. Okay, I'm excited about the live trading. You guys have been trying to get me to do this for a while, so here we are. We're doing it. Okay, so let's look for some opportunities tomorrow. Okay, we'll look for any of the markets, even stocks, right? So if we have a futures are up, let's say futures are up, right? We'll start at around 8 o'clock, 8 to 10. Okay, let's say futures are up and we find things are moving. We might find some more. So we'll look at all the markets, okay? So if Forex is slow, right, we might find something in equities or futures. Is it live, Jocelyn? Yeah, live with me, right? Live with me, okay? Eastern time, yes, Eastern time, 8 a.m. Eastern time. I'm excited. All right, guys, see you all tomorrow. Sorry for taking too much of your time, but with what's going on, okay, this is important here, okay? So we want to be on the right side of these markets. Otherwise, it can get brutal, okay? And we want to be quick. Okay? All right, take care. See everyone tomorrow morning. Take care. Bye-bye. Yeah, Eastern time, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks.